So, you're considering Spectrum Internet? Will their simple plan options be a good fit for your needs? Or will the pricey gig plans make you think twice? I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's dive in. We rank internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. Spectrum Service offers a solid value, mostly when you're on their lowest tier. Spectrum has 3 plans to choose from. We feel these plans are straightforward and easy to understand. At the lowest tier, you'll see speeds of up to 300 megabits per second at a decent price. The other 2 plans are a little less enticing. Spectrum offers a speedy internet connection across all of their offered packages, with packages that have speeds of up to 1,000 megabits per second or 1 gigabit per second available. Even these speeds on the lowest tier are great for even the heaviest of internet users. According to the US Federal Communications Commission, Spectrum offers faster-than-advertised speeds for most of the time. On top of that, there are no data caps with Spectrum. Let's talk about equipment and installation. Spectrum Internet is run through a combination of a separate modem and router, rather than a combined gateway. While there's no charge for the modem, Spectrum does charge $5 per month to rent a wireless router. But you also have the option to use your own router if you already have one. You can also add Wi-Fi extenders called pods for an extra $3 a month. If you need professional installation, that'll be around $50. If you want to go the self-install route, that will be around $30 for the self-installation kit and activation fee. Now, this isn't the highest self-installation fee we've seen, so we'll take it. We'll be frank with you, Spectrum has a lot of fees. Here's an example of what you might see. A $5 fee for paying over the phone, a $5 reconnection fee, and a $20 fee to upgrade equipment when switching to the internet gig plan. Make sure to watch out for hefty price hikes. For example, if you stay with Spectrum longer than a year, your plan price can increase about $20 per month unless you renegotiate. We gave Spectrum 3.5 stars, while customers gave it 4 stars. But what are your thoughts? Is Spectrum the right choice for you? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about internet service providers, check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.